Welcome to Quantum Life Repair, where we create non-smokers and so much more. If you've tried to quit smoking and failed, you're not alone. Thousands of people just like you have the same frustrations. Quitting alone isn't enough, because you'll simply relapse again and be right back where you started, frustrated and still smoking. There's a reason for this, and there's also a solution. Keep listening and learn why it's been difficult, and how we can, and will, help you become a non-smoker. First of all, there's a difference between quitting and becoming a non-smoker. Quitters almost always relapse within days or months of quitting. Also, quitters almost always have severe side effects such as uncontrollable cravings, irritability and weight gain. When you become a non-smoker, it'll be like you never smoked before, because we remove the triggers that cause the temptation to smoke as well as the habit of smoking itself. Do you think you're addicted to nicotine? Well, you're not. Studies have shown that 100% of the nicotine from smoking leaves your body within 48 hours of your last cigarette. If you were addicted to nicotine, you would become addicted to nicotine patches, since they have more nicotine than is contained in cigarettes, and we've never had to treat someone for a nicotine patch addiction. Therefore, you are not addicted to nicotine. You're addicted to the actual habit of smoking. It's not a physical addiction. It's a psychological addiction, and it's killing you. None of the pills are a good idea either. Each of them has severe side effects such as severe depression and suicidal thoughts, and that's obviously not good. I mean, what's the good of not smoking if you're dead? Hypnosis works, but those hypnotists and therapists who promise to help you become a non-smoker in only one session, especially in a group session, are severely misleading you. Sure, there will be a few exceptions, however, they are very few, and highly unlikely. The one-and-done approach isn't workable due to the fact that no two people are the same, and each person has different reasons for smoking, and different triggers that keep leading them back to smoking. This is a major lifestyle change. It's not something to take lightly, nor is it something you want to rush. The best way to become a non-smoker is through a customized program, put together by a professional counselor, tailored to fit your individual needs. Just think about how much money you currently spend on cigarettes. A pack a day at a national average of $8 per pack is roughly $240 per month that you're paying the tobacco companies to methodically kill you. What else could you be spending that money on? A new car? A vacation? A health club membership? Anything you want. Bottom line, I'm sure you can find something better to do with $240 per month other than committing a slow suicide. There are many horrible ailments directly connected to being a smoker such as emphysema, lung cancer, cancer of the mouth, throat cancer, heart disease, and many more. Can you afford to live with that risk? I know you want to become a non-smoker. I know you're tired of smelling like an ashtray, and I know you're worried about your health. Surely, you want to use that money on something worthwhile instead of making the tobacco companies more and more wealthy. Today is the day to begin your new life as a non-smoker. Quantum Life Repair can get you there, but the next move is yours. The first step is to book a free 30-minute discovery session with Dr. Gary Danko and discuss your options. Click on the link below to book your appointment right now. You'll be happy you did it, and we can't wait to help you become a non-smoker. Thanks for watching. Schedule a free discovery session today.